unbelievable. I've been shooting film since 2019. Shouldn't that make me a certified pro? And yet, I just bought fake films. Behold our hero. And let me drop my 4 sacred anti-scam technique. Step 1. The packaging curse. Real film has branding, iOS, and how many shots per roll. Now fake film, no brand, no shot count. If they cut a 36 exposure roll into 3 pieces and shove them in there to sell you, you'd never even know. The seller even included a how to open your film with a key tutorial.
Fake product customer service champion of the year, right there.
Step 2. The E6 scam. Most color film you see is C41. Easy to process, relatively cheap. But our hero says E6, which is reversal film. That stuff is way trickier to process, high maintenance, and expensive. These scammers probably thought fancy label means more legit. Step 3. The weight of disappointment. Real film rolls are solid, chunky, full of promise. 20 gram at least. This thing, 9 gram. Step 4. The cursed shop. A legit film store sells film, chemicals, cameras, processing. This shop, bird cages, jade bracelets, hamster food.
Respect the hustle though.
So why didn't I notice any of this earlier? Why did I happily load it and go shooting like a fool? Because I love trying weird films and camera combos. Half the fun is not knowing what you'll get, like unboxing chaos. I thought maybe, just maybe, this was some rare misunderstood gem. Also, I've never bought fake films before. I didn't even know it was a thing. But in the end, it all comes down to one word: greed. I saw the price tag, 20 yuan, and I got 3. Well, I mean, a few pounds is not a big deal. It's the moments I missed, the ones that could have lived forever on real film. Never trust cheap films, unless it's black and white, because sometimes these can be that cheap. Color film? Nope, walk away, save yourself.